What's up everybody, my name is Anthony and I'm in the marketing department here at Policy Buff. I'm here to talk to you today about using our new wireless remote, the CyberSense. But first, here's a quick rundown of the equipment needed to make it work. To turn on the CyberSense, you can press any of the three buttons located on the front of the remote. Once your CyberSense is on, you can press the Setup button to go and adjust your frequency. Press the frequency button and you can now adjust it up or down depending on your needs. For this video, we're going to set it to frequency 1. Once your frequency is set, press Done. Next, we'll be registering our lights with the corresponding channels on the CyberSense. To do this, you'll press and hold each of the sliders and each light will be pulled onto the CyberSense with its corresponding channel. Next, we need to adjust our model mode. To access the model screen, we're going to press the center button located on the front of the CyberSense to toggle between flash and model. Once in the model mode, we're going to use the button on the far left to go through our options. Adjust allows you to adjust the modeling light independently from the flash output. Max sets your lights to max power no matter where they are set on the back of the unit. Off turns the modeling light off. Track means that the modeling output will track alongside that of the flash output. Now let's return to the flash screen and adjust our outputs. Now that we're in the flash screen, we can go ahead and adjust our flash output by sliding up or down on each of the individual sliders. To turn off or place into standby mode an individual flash unit in your setup, all you simply need to do is double tap the corresponding touch slider. You'll notice as we press the test button, the only flashes that fired are the ones not marked as off. To turn the unit back on, double tap the corresponding slider for each individual channel. And finally, to conserve battery, you can adjust the screen brightness and set your sleep timer of the CyberSense. By pressing the Setup button and then pressing Display, you can access these modes. By pressing Brightness, you can adjust it down or up, depending on your desired brightness, and then press Done. To access the sleep timer, press Setup, Display, Sleep. You can adjust it down or up, depending on your needs, and press Done. And finally, to turn off your CyberSense, simply press and hold any of the three buttons located on the front. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any additional questions about the CyberSense wireless remote or any of our other equipment, please feel free to give our customer service team a call at 1-800-443-5542. Or if you'd prefer and want to shoot us an email, you can do so at info@policybuff.com. Thanks for watching.